Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to take a look at rooftop safety. We're on top of a second floor roof. We want to clean these windows here. So this is a job that in 2012 we picked up. What we did was I did just a roof evaluation, a safety evaluation of every area our guys were going to be working, just to make sure there's no roof hazards, any type of a hazard that we need to be aware of and confront ahead of time before the cleaners actually got on site. So what we noticed was this area here. So we have an area from the parapet wall here to our work area where the glass is. It's just about a 10-foot gap span right here. And it's an unprotected edge. It's a flat roof right here. So what we needed to do is we needed to get some type of a system up here, either a guardrail system or connecting into some type of an anchor point with harnesses on the employees. And just when we approached the building, told them what we had, what we were confronted with, guardrail system was for their budget is the most cost-effective way to approach this area. It also makes it safer for their employees. So you can see there's a roof door right here. As soon as somebody steps out that roof door, it's a fall hazard. So they needed this for their own employees, their mechanical guys to come up on these roofs to check their mechanical units, drains, everything like that. Also, we can use it for window cleaners to wash these windows or any access that we need to get to these windows for. So if you're an employee working for a company and you notice an area like this, yes, it is very easy for you to say, hey, I can just step up there and wash those windows. No problem. But to be within OSHA safety regulations, you shouldn't be on a roof with an unprotected edge being that close to that fall hazard. It's something that as an employee you need to be aware of. Bring it to your company's attention. If you see a danger on your work site, safety starts with the people that are working on these sites. Bringing it to your company. The people who are submitting bids for window cleaning need to look at these areas, see what precautions we need to take to keep our employees safe. If you're an employee, you need to do what you need to do to come home every day. It's easy to walk up onto this roof if it's unprotected. It's winter today. Anything could happen. You could slip, an accident, get carried away on your cell phone, on social media like many of you do, and just step off an edge. Protect ourselves, work safely, work smarter. Saad here, Window Warriors Forum.